Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Hope you have done the previous lesson about sense of responsibilities. So today I discuss a new topic of general knowledge, and the topic name is living and non-living things. All right, students, living. Okay, I explain you the word living and non-living. Like now we observe some things around us. See the table or chair or bed. All right, these all things are your surroundings. So is it move by self? The table move by self, or you move your table? All right, so then I force some objects, then these objects can move, otherwise it is still there. All right, so the table, bed, your pencil, your bag, book, your toys cannot move itself because it has no energy. It cannot eat. So these things are non-living things. All right. Okay. Now I am giving you another examples about living things. All right. The plants, like human beings, like a boy, girl, like children. All right. And trees, animals. Now you observe. So these things, like the human beings or the plants or the animals, is it move? Is it grow? Yes, they all can move and grow easily because these things are living things. All right. Okay. Now I ask and discuss some questions about living and non-living things. Okay. What are the things of living things? Need. Living things can move, breathe, drink and eat. Alright, student? Okay. Now I ask or I discuss with you, what are the examples of living things? Now in the beginning I will discuss to you, all humans, plants and animals are living things. Alright. Now we are a human being. Your family members are the human beings. Alright. Plants are living. Animals are living because they all can move, breathe, drink and eat. So these are called living things. Okay, now what are non-living things? Give me any examples. Yes, the things that cannot move, breathe, eat, that are called non-living things. For example, ball, car, doll, like computer, chair, your school bag. These all things are non-living things. Alright, students? Okay. Okay, now I check to you. Tell me the name of 5 animals that have living. Alright. Now 5 animals. Quickly. You tell me, come on. Yes, like cat, fish, snake, lion. Yes, giraffe, elephant. These all are living things. Alright. Okay. What does the living things need? Living things need water, air, food. Okay. Now We are living things because the human beings are living things. So we need air, we need food, we need water, then we live. Alright? So the living things need water, air, food and sunlight also. Okay? So hopefully student you have understood about living and non-living things first. Then I will start this exercise or activity that is given in your booklet. So the question number 1, tick the living things and cross the non-living things. Alright. So here write living and here write non-living. So first I will explain to you the name of objects. The first object is tree, and tree is a plant. So the plants are living or non-living. So tick the living things. It means this picture is belong with living things. So we should tick this. Alright. Ball. Ball can move by itself? No. When you push the ball, that it can move. So the ball is non-living things. So cross the ball. Worm. Worm is animal and animals can move. So it is living thing. Tick this. Dog. Dog is also animal and animals are living things. Clock. Clock. Can clock move? Yes. If you say yes, so when we put the cell inside the clock, then the hands of clock can move. If the cell is dead, then the clock stuck and its hands cannot move. So the clock need to move its hands by the help of cell. Otherwise it cannot move. So the clock is non-living thing. So cross this picture. Flag. Flag is living or non-living? It's made with the fabric or it's made by the paper. So the paper and the fabric, piece of cloth, it is the non-living things. Cloud. Clouds is also non-living things. Butterfly. Butterfly is also animal or bird. So it is living thing. Cupcake. Is it cupcake can move or grow? No. So it is non-living thing. Flower. Flower is a plant or it can grow. So the flower is living thing. Kite. Is it kite can grow? No. So the kite is non-living thing. Boy. Boy can grow. Boy can move. Boy can sleep and eat. So the boy is living or non-living? Yes, it is living. So tick this picture. Alright, hope you understand this topic well and you do this activity properly, full attention. Let's come to activity number 2. Circle and color the living things. Alright students, so here are the picture of letterbox, mushroom, ladybird, tomato, rock, lizard, tree, giraffe and guitar. So you observe and only color and circle those pictures that are living thing. Lizard can move, it means it is living thing. Rock cannot move, it means not living thing. Letterbox cannot move, so it means not living thing. So only color those that are living thing. So hope you done this activity by self with full of interest and complete this task neat and tidy. Allah Hafiz student.